Let's explore switch statements in Go, an elegant alternative to complex if-else chains. Switch statements provide a clean and efficient way to handle multiple conditions based on the value of an expression or the type of a variable. Here is the basic syntax of a switch statement in Go. The switch keyword is followed by an expression. Each case represents a possible value for that expression. If a case matches the expression's value, the code block associated with that case is executed. The default case is executed if none of the other cases match. Let's consider an example of an expression switch. In this code, we determine the current day of the week using the time now weekday function. The switch statement then checks the value of the day variable. If it is Monday, it prints start of work week. If it is Friday, it prints TGIF. For any other day, the default case is executed, printing regular day. Go's switch statements also allows you to specify multiple values for a single case. This is particularly useful when you want to execute the same code block for several different values. As we can see here in this example, the grade variable holds a character. The switch statement checks the grade. If the grade is A or B, it prints excellent work. If the grade is C or D, it prints good effort. And if the grade is F, it prints needs improvement. A type switch is a special type of switch statement that allows you to determine the type of an interface variable. The syntax value type is used to get the type of the interface value. Each case specifies a type, and the code block associated with that type is executed if the interface value is of that type. If none of the types match, the default case is executed. Here, we are printing a different message based on whether the value is an integer, string, or Boolean. The fallthrough keyword in Go's switch statement is used to transfer control to the next case after a case is executed. This is different from other languages where break is implicitly added at the end of each case. In this example, if the score is greater than or equal to 80, it prints grade B, and then fallthrough makes it execute the next case, printing good job as well. Let's compare switch statements with if-else chains. Switch statements offer cleaner syntax, better readability, and support type switching. No break statement is needed. If-else chains are more suitable for complex conditions, range comparisons, handling multiple variables, and Boolean logic. To summarize, switch statements in Go provide expression switch for value matching, type switch for interface handling, and fallthrough for cascading logic. Choose switch for discrete values to write clean, efficient, and maintainable code. Master Go's switch statements. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.